Hello everyone. In today's video, let us learn how to connect storage battery to your power inverter.
At the end of this video, you will be able to connect the battery to the charge controller, connect the power inverter to battery, connect the solar panel to the charge controller. Let us collect all the tools, equipment and materials required to do this practical. Digital multimeter with props, trainees toolkit, crimping tool, power inverter with user manual, output power 300 watts, input 12 volt DC, output 220 volt AC, solar charge controller, type PWM, system voltage 12 to 24 volt, maximum output current 50 amps, battery 12 volt 10 ampere hour, cartridge fuse 1 amps, connecting wires 1.5 square mm and 6 square mm as required. DC circuit breaker single pole 12 to 250 volts DC 6 amps. Lug terminals ring type 6 square millimeter and 1.5 square millimeter as required. Connecting the battery to the charge controller. Identify the positive and negative terminals of the battery. Set the multimeter in DC voltage measurement range with an approximate voltage of 20 volts and measure its terminal voltage of battery. Ensure the battery voltage is not less than 12 volt. Identify the battery terminals in the solar charge controller. Measure and cut 2 lengths of electrical wire required to connect the battery to the charge controller and the circuit breaker. Remove insulation sleeve at both ends for 12 mm and insert conductor into cable lug terminals as shown. Use crimping tool with correct slot. Crimp the lugs on one end only of both wires. Connect the lug terminal of red wire to the positive terminal of the battery to the positive battery terminal of the charge controller through DC circuit breaker other end of the wire. Connect the lug terminal of black wire to the negative terminal of the battery to the negative battery terminal of the charge controller. Keep enough tightness using the screwdriver. Connecting the power inverter to battery. Safety precautions. The wire connection can only be done after the inverter is fixed in the proper position. Make sure the maximum open circuit voltage and short circuit current of solar arrays do not exceed the stipulated range of the inverter. Identify the battery terminals on the power inverter. The battery terminals on the inverter are typically labeled battery or with symbols representing positive and negative polarity. Use red colored wires to connect the positive terminal and black colored wires to connect the negative terminal for easy identification. Measure and cut 2 lengths of electrical wire. Remove insulation and prepare for connecting the battery to the inverter and the DC circuit breaker. Use crimping tool with correct slot. Crimp the lugs on one end only of both wires. Use one length of black wire to connect the negative terminal of the battery to negative terminal of the inverter. Use one length of red wire to connect the positive terminal of the battery to the DC circuit breaker in series. Now connect the output end of the circuit breaker to the battery terminals input side of the power inverter with the correct polarity, like the positive terminal of the battery to the positive terminal of the power inverter and the negative terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the power inverter. On the other end of the power inverter, output side, you could see the AC output terminals. Connect the load to the AC output terminal of the inverter. Ensure that all connections are secure and tight. If your power inverter has screw terminals, tighten the screws to secure the wires in place. Safety precautions. Choose proper cable for power input and output lines. Identify the polarity of connection ports first, then connect the inverter with solar arrays in proper polarity. While connecting the inverter, make sure no connection among AC/DC and any power resources are disconnected. Connecting the solar panel to the charge controller. Safety precautions. Before making any connections, ensure that the solar panel is not receiving sunlight and that the charge controller is turned off and disconnected from any power sources to prevent electrical hazards. Identify the terminals on both the solar panel and the charge controller. The solar panel typically has two wires coming out of it, one positive and one negative. The charge controller also has terminals labeled for solar panel connection, often marked solar or PV with positive and negative signs. Cut and strip the insulation from both ends of wires attached to the solar panel and controller and prepare the conductive wire for connection. Connect the positive red wire from the solar panel to the positive terminal on the charge controller. Likewise, connect the negative wire from the solar panel to the negative terminal on the charge controller. Ensure that the connections are secure and tight to prevent them from coming loose over time. Some charge controllers have screw terminals or other connectors to secure the wires in place. Now, switch on the DC circuit breaker and inverter. Ensure the load connected to the inverter is working and monitor the solar panel and battery voltage on the charge controller display.
In this video, we have discussed and connected the battery to the charge controller, connected the power inverter to the battery, connected the solar panel to the charge controller. This concludes this exercise. Thank you for watching.